Is your team working in cohesion? Let me power you within. Hi, Kia ora. I'm Celine, an IT consultant, a corporate and business intuitive, a well-being mentor, and a governance and crisis advisor. And I'm going to share with you 3 tips on project delivery. Part of why a project might be running in what I call chaos is that the team is not working collaboratively. And unfortunately, I have seen when recovering projects that it can be led by the project manager in that way. Working in silo doesn't achieve great outcomes and make things very difficult. Having turned a lot of chaos into order, here are 3 tips to ensure your team is working in cohesion. Number 1, whatever approach you choose, you need to have team meetings, stand-ups or scrums with people who are needed. Otherwise, your team won't be on the same page, and that is where chaos originates from. Number 2, be in cohesion yourself as a project manager and as a governance. If the right governance structure is not in place, or if the project is led in a disorganized way, this will lead to a team not being in cohesion. Organizing, structuring, and planning create cohesion. Number 3, communicate well so you don't leave any stone unturned and miss anyone, which can create mayhem and break the trust, which in turn will result in damaging a cohesive project or relationships with teams, governance, and stakeholders. Open and honest communication goes a long way, remember. The key is to get momentum in creating cohesion throughout the project and the delivery. Don't forget the delivery. It is key to have a cohesive plan established when it is time to deliver, and that requires not just planning, but preparation. This means rehearse in your testing phase to pick up things, otherwise you will have incoherence and issues you could have avoided, or more unforeseen problems on the day of delivery. What if I could ensure there is a team cohesion throughout your high-profile project as a governance and crisis advisor?